Go.
Okay, just want to kind of explain the 12-row power setup and kind of how it's all set up harness-wise and whatnot. We'll go ahead and we'll start up here inside the tractor, what we'll have inside the tractor. Here is you have your monitor there. And then here we'll have our interface board. It's our Pro interface board with our Bluetooth dongle that Bluetooths to the monitor. So it is wireless to our monitor. Here you'll have your power set up inside the cab of the tractor, and this will be in the back window. This will run to your lift switch. That will be back on your planter. Then we your GPS will hook into your GPS here and run out to your GPS globe. Now here we have a toggle switch which will run inside the tractor also, and it'll run back to our main block back here. We'll get to that in just a second. Now here, and that's all that will go inside the tractor. And so you basically only have 3 wires coming out of your tractor back to the planter. And everything else is wireless talking to your motors. Here, as far as outside the power from the tractor back to your planter, we do a tractor power supply, which will hook to your batteries on your tractor and run out to the back of the tractor, right here with an Anderson coupler, which will, on your planter, will hook into our main block. Now this main block will be back on your planter, and you can have power going out to the right block and to your left block. Now on each block you were able to power four motors, which would be four meters. Now we have one harness which will run 2 rows out of one side of the block, and then another harness will run the other 2 rows out the other side of the block. They run to your motors here, and all it is power to these motors, and everything else is sent wirelessly to the interface board, which is inside the cab. Now on these wires we also have a seat where it hooks into your existing seat sensor on your road unit. So it'll hook right into your existing seat sensor. That'll come back into the motor, and all the information will be transferred wirelessly to the cab of the tractor, to your interface board. And you can go ahead and get a good look at the whole thing, how it's all set up. Just your basic, all we need is power, basically. You just come back to it.
That'll work.
Okay.